Let's take a look at strategy's role in management development. Management development programs should reflect an organization's strategic plans. For example, strategies to enter new businesses or expand overseas imply that the employer will need succession plans to obtain or develop managers who have the skills to manage these new businesses. Management development programs then impart the knowledge, attitudes, and skills these managers will need to excel at their job. Some management development programs are company wide and involve all or most new or potential managers. Management development supports the employer's succession planning process. Succession planning involves developing workforce plans for the company's top positions.